Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make satsumaimo to chikuwa no kakiage. Kakiage is a type of tempura. When we make tempura, we normally do one ingredient like shrimp tempura or eggplant tempura. But when we make kakiage, we cut more than 2 ingredients into little pieces and glue them with tempura batter. And today I'm using satsumaimo sweet potato, chikuwa fish cake and green onion. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this satsumaimo to chikuwa no kakiage, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Satsumaimo sweet potato, I'm using half of this today, which is about 250 grams. 8 chikuwa fish cake, half a cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of potato starch or cornstarch, and some green onion. Let's cut all the ingredients first. So chikuwa fish cake. Cut it into half, long way. Then slice thinly, diagonally. Put it in a large bowl. Green onion, cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together. Cut them into half, put them together and slice thinly. Into the same bowl. Sweet potato. As I said, I'm using half of this, so let's cut it into half. I'm going to use this with the skin on to enjoy the color, so I washed it really well. Make thin slices. Then into sticks like a match. And all into the bowl. Now let's make tempura batter. So here I have about half a cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of potato starch goes in, and half a cup of water. Give it a mix. And the batter is ready. I'm adding this tempura batter in the bowl of ingredients, and I want just enough amount of tempura batter to glue them together. So let's start with 2/3 of the batter. Mix it well. I think I need a little more, so let's add half of the remaining batter. So all the ingredients are kind of sticking together, but there is no extra butter at the bottom of the bowl. Heat up some vegetable oil, about 1 inch from the bottom, over medium to medium-high heat. And let's check the temperature by dropping a little bit of tempura butter into the oil. So drop some butter. If the butter hits the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, it's the right temperature. Scoop some ingredients using big spoon and slide it into the oil. And fry them for a little over 1 minute on each side. Looks good. So let's take them out and drain. All fried and satsumaimo to chikuwa no kakiage is ready to go. Time for the tasting. You can of course have it with tempura dipping sauce. I put the link here, but I like to have tempura with a little bit of salt. So let's put some salt. And itadakimasu. It's so light and crispy, but the sweet potatoes are still fluffy inside. And the chikuwa fish cake adds so much flavor to it, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Kakiage is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and onion miso soup or any soup you like here. You can have anything you like for the side dishes, but I think I want to add a little more protein, so how about hiyayakko for one of them and some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!